Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Albania, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Balkans. This captivating country boasts stunning landscapes that range from pristine beaches along the Ionian and Adriatic seas to majestic mountains that rise dramatically in the north. With its diverse geography, Albania offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage that is sure to enchant any traveler. As we embark on this journey, prepare to be amazed by the vibrant history that permeates every corner of Albania. From ancient ruins that tell tales of the Illyrians and Romans to charming villages that showcase traditional Albanian architecture, the country is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be uncovered. The warm hospitality of the locals adds to the allure, making every visit feel like a homecoming. In this video, we will guide you through some of the most amazing places in Albania, highlighting unique travel destinations that are often overlooked by mainstream tourism. Whether you're wandering through the cobblestone streets of Berat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or soaking in the breathtaking views from the Albanian Riviera, each location offers its own story and charm. So, if you're ready to discover a land where stunning landscapes meet rich cultural experiences, join us as we delve into the wonders of Albania. Get ready to be inspired and perhaps even plan your next adventure to this remarkable country that promises unforgettable memories and experiences. The breathtaking Albanian Riviera. The Albanian Riviera is a true paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike, boasting some of the most stunning beaches and coastal towns in Europe. With its crystal-clear waters that shimmer in shades of turquoise and azure, the Riviera offers a picturesque landscape that feels like a dream come to life. The dramatic cliffs and lush greenery that frame the coastline create a breathtaking backdrop, making every moment spent here unforgettable. Among the popular spots along the Riviera, Dermi stands out as a must-visit destination. Known for its pristine sandy beaches and vibrant atmosphere, Dermi is perfect for those looking to relax under the sun or engage in thrilling water sports. Just a short distance away, Jail Beach offers a more laid-back vibe, where visitors can unwind on the soft sands or explore the nearby caves and hidden coves. Both beaches provide ample opportunities for adventure, from snorkeling to paddleboarding, ensuring that every traveler finds their perfect escape. As the sun sets, the coastal towns come alive with a vibrant nightlife that is hard to resist. Beach bars and restaurants serve up delicious local cuisine, featuring fresh seafood and traditional Albanian dishes that tantalize the taste buds. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely dinner with a view of the sunset or dancing the night away at a lively beach club, the Riviera's nightlife is an experience not to be missed. The combination of stunning beaches, thrilling adventures, and lively evenings makes the Albanian Riviera a true gem on the Mediterranean coast. The ancient city of Berat. Nestled between the Timor Mountains and the Osum River, the ancient city of Berat is a captivating destination that showcases Albania's rich history and architectural beauty. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Berat is renowned for its unique Ottoman-era architecture, characterized by whitewashed houses that cling to the hillside, creating a stunning visual tapestry. The iconic Berat Castle, which towers over the city, is a testament to its historical significance, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into the past. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, you'll encounter the harmonious blend of cultures that defines Berat. This city is often celebrated as a symbol of coexistence, where mosques and churches stand side by side, reflecting the diverse religious heritage of its inhabitants. The cultural importance of Berat is palpable, as it embodies the spirit of unity and tolerance that has thrived throughout its long history. Visitors to Berat are encouraged to explore the local museums and traditional houses that provide insight into the city's vibrant past. The Ethnographic Museum, housed in a beautifully restored Ottoman home, showcases artifacts and exhibits that highlight the daily life and customs of the region. Additionally, the Onufri National Museum, located within the castle, features stunning religious art and icons that further enrich the cultural experience. A visit to Berat is not just a journey through time, it is an opportunity to immerse yourself in the stories and traditions that have shaped this remarkable city. Whether you're captivated by its architecture or inspired by its cultural significance, Berat promises an unforgettable experience that will leave a lasting impression. The majestic Albanian Alps. The Albanian Alps, often referred to as the Accursed Mountains, are a breathtaking testament to nature's grandeur, offering some of the most stunning mountain landscapes in Europe. With towering peaks, deep valleys, and crystal-clear rivers, this region is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Among the highlights are Theth and Valbona, two picturesque villages that serve as gateways to unforgettable hiking adventures. In Theth, visitors can explore a network of trails that lead to awe-inspiring vistas, including the iconic Grunas waterfall and the stunning Blue Eye, a natural spring with vibrant blue waters. The Valbona Valley National Park, on the other hand, offers a different yet equally captivating experience, with its lush forests and dramatic mountain scenery. The hike between Theth and Valbona is particularly popular, providing breathtaking views and a chance to immerse oneself in the untouched beauty of the Albanian Alps. The region is also rich in biodiversity, home to unique wildlife such as the elusive Balkan lynx and various species of birds that thrive in the pristine environment. This natural richness adds to the allure of the Albanian Alps, making it a haven for those who appreciate the great outdoors. Adventure seekers are encouraged to explore the stunning trails that wind through the mountains, where local hospitality awaits in the form of traditional guest houses and warm-hearted locals eager to share their culture. Whether you're trekking through the rugged terrain or simply soaking in the breathtaking scenery, the Albanian Alps promise an unforgettable experience that will leave you yearning for more. The enigmatic city of Gjirokastër. Gjirokastër, a captivating city perched on the slopes of the Drino Valley, is a treasure trove of charm and history, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Known for its well-preserved stone houses that cascade down the hillside, Gjirokastër offers a unique glimpse into Albania's architectural heritage. These distinctive homes, characterized by their gray stone facades and slate roofs, create a picturesque landscape that transports visitors back in time. Dominating the skyline is the impressive Gjirokastër Castle, a formidable fortress that has stood for centuries, serving as a symbol of the city's historical significance. The city has played a pivotal role in Albanian history, being the birthplace of the national hero Ismail Kemali and a center of resistance during various periods of foreign occupation. Gjirokastër's rich cultural tapestry is woven from its diverse influences, making it a vital part of Albania's identity. The castle itself houses a museum that showcases artifacts and exhibits, allowing visitors to delve deeper into the region's storied past. As you wander through the charming streets, be sure to explore the local bazaars, where vibrant stalls brim with traditional crafts and artisanal goods. From hand-woven textiles to intricate silver jewelry, these markets offer a taste of Gjirokastër's rich craftsmanship. Engaging with local artisans provides a unique opportunity to appreciate the skills passed down through generations. A visit to Gjirokastër is not just an exploration of its historical sites. It's an invitation to experience the warmth of its people and the beauty of its traditions. This enchanting city promises to leave a lasting impression on all who venture into its storied streets. The unique Blue Eye Spring. Nestled in the heart of the Albanian countryside, the Blue Eye Spring is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates all who visit. Known for its vibrant blue waters that shimmer like a sapphire, this stunning spring is surrounded by lush greenery and dense forests, creating a serene oasis that feels almost otherworldly. The crystal-clear waters, which bubble up from the depths of the earth, create a mesmerizing spectacle that draws both locals and tourists alike. The significance of the Blue Eye Spring extends beyond its beauty. It holds a special place in the hearts of the local community. For generations, it has been a source of inspiration and a symbol of natural purity. The site is not only a popular destination for nature lovers but also a cherished spot for locals who come to enjoy its tranquil ambiance and the refreshing coolness of the water. Visitors to the Blue Eye Spring are encouraged to take a moment to soak in the tranquility and beauty of this natural phenomenon. Whether you choose to relax by the water's edge, take a refreshing dip, or simply admire the stunning surroundings, the experience is sure to leave a lasting impression. The vibrant colors and peaceful atmosphere make it an ideal spot for photography, meditation, or simply enjoying the wonders of nature. A trip to the Blue Eye Spring is more than just a visit to a picturesque location. It's an opportunity to connect with the natural world and appreciate the breathtaking beauty that Albania has to offer. Don't miss the chance to experience this enchanting spring on your journey through the country. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Albania, it's clear that this remarkable country is a treasure trove of diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From the stunning beaches of the Albanian Riviera to the majestic peaks of the Albanian Alps, each region offers its own unique charm and breathtaking beauty. The ancient cities of Berat and Gjirokastër, with their well-preserved architecture and historical significance, showcase the deep-rooted traditions and stories that define Albania's identity. The enchanting Blue Eye Spring, with its vibrant waters and serene surroundings, serves as a reminder of the natural wonders that await those who venture off the beaten path. Each destination we explored highlights the incredible variety that Albania has to offer, making it a must-visit for travelers seeking both adventure and cultural enrichment. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself and share your experiences with us. Whether you're hiking in the Alps, relaxing on the Riviera, or wandering through ancient streets, your stories can inspire others to discover the beauty of Albania. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and hidden gems from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more incredible destinations with you in the future.